I don't know. Coal train.
Cool. CSX N788-15 Loaded Coal 146. East Old Main Line 3. Approach St. Dennis.
You heard that? N788-15. Yeah, he's passing me now. An old main line. What the hell? What are you doing, dude? You got a approach. He wanted brake time for some reason. He had a approach, now he's stopping. I'm sorry. N788-15 on the old main line just stopped for some reason.
Wait, what? Did you go to your emergency?
No, I don't think so. I don't know.
How about a city break?
Well, right now the engines are past the signal tower, so I don't know. Oh, there he goes.
How loud was the brake? Oh, here. How loud was the brake?
Loud enough. But he's releasing his brakes now. So that's a good thing. He's releasing.
Yeah, someone's on that turn on your scanner, so listen to that.
Yeah, so.
Got someone going this way again.
Yeah, wait a minute, what are you doing?
Eastbound Jackson Blanchard, over. N788, Copper Springs, tie down, Curtis Bay, 7 left.
Alright, I just want to let you know, I came through the interlock. DTC put me fresh.
Oh.
Okay to pull up the Sulphur Springs. I cut it out because of my range.
Yeah, okay, proceed from where you stand.
Alright, here we go. What happened?
His PTC stopped him again. PTC.
Yeah, he wants your emergency brake.
Yeah. I got it. So it doesn't happen that often. So you know what? Why not? Ouch.
Are you still recording right now?
Yeah.
Eastbound Jackson Blanchard, over.
Yeah, I got you on video. So say hi to Train A Productions. Like, subscribe to his channel. Yeah. You know what? You're not lazy. I am. I'm a lazy bum.
I gotta get my I gotta go to Walmart, get gas. I gotta get ready for tomorrow. They're gonna show up at 9. Get over the street, get to go, coming down to shoot me home tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then live stream.
Yeah.
I love it.
Well, I did put some go-go juice in my truck, some gas in my truck yesterday, and it was, thankfully it was $2.97. I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm doing it.
Yeah,
So, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. Yeah.
Easy 175-938.
Hang on a minute.
938. Take 12, 16, 17 at the BWA 2.4. The Y 264-16. 6134 Jones, Circle 1A. Upper Bay.
I gotta lower it a little bit, I can hear you better.
He is Clifford, Maine, and he is Carroll, Maine. Over.
I know that before anyway. Yeah, like, I'm surprised gas prices is ridiculous. Like $2.97, $3, $3.50. Because you use it a cheaper gas I do. Cause I use pump 93. That's why. Nice. Woohoo!
Hey, roger that. Alright, buddy, here we go. Signal location, get your eye, get in,
Wait a minute. N788 came from Bailey Mine? Huh. Oh.
I believe also does own it.
Yeah.
Just like the other trains they're operating like on a nation, they like have a mark on the CSX.
Ah, okay.
So yeah, I found that out. And I believe it's something Grafton, West Virginia. That's also where they come from.
Ah.
There's no place I know. But the problem is, I don't know which particular country comes to what mine.
Ah, yeah.
That, like, that's, like, I'm just kidding now.
Yeah, I don't feel bad. I'm still learning about these trains, where they come from, where they go. And don't forget, I've been doing this for over 30 years, but I'm still learning about it. Oh yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, they've been moving for the last couple of minutes. And he's loaded, so he may. How many locos? 2 engines. Yes, that. They probably took the helmets off already. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if he may have them or not. I don't know. So. I don't even stop my. Ow. Yeah. Mama. You know what? I love the Wheel Line 9 crew and the guys here at St. Dennis. Especially me, that Steinmucker, the fun guy. Oh, before I forget, Harley the train guy was here too. Yeah, cause he caught the other 409 with FEC, if I remember correctly. So I missed it. Like, yeah, fudge. Well, take a nap. I'm not gonna stop you. Oh, the guy's last car. No helpers on this train. Yeah, he got no helpers, so that's what I figured.
Oh, what the hell?
What? What'd I do?
I don't, like, I don't know what happened. Like,
I got you, Roger.
Oh no!
Your Irish for East, WS Clifton Park on number 1 and 1614 JMB.
Dispatcher probably talking to a hardware truck probably.
YG64 in the spin is trail looks point there, so that's why I needed it.
I'm such a bad boy at times. But in a good way.
I got 372 working on number 2 in both directions down.
Oh, he's gone already.